I'm going to the waterfall called Waimano Falls. Yes, Dad. I know my equipment. That's another story to tell. I am going solo, Mom. I'm going solo. Yep, I'm going by myself. I know, you're not supposed to. But I don't think anyone would want to go with me right now. Sometimes you just gotta go. And this is one of those days. It's already now. It's now, looks like 10:45. Yeah. No, 10:15. Kind of late already. But I think it's doable. 3 miles, not that bad. It's not a long hike. Okay, first things first, we got a little tumbler here. This is only about 500 milliliters, I think, half a liter. As long as I pre-hydrate, I think that's more than enough actually, to be honest. Got ourselves a battery pack. iPhone water, maybe I'll bring an extra wire, my phone. A blade. This is maybe a 4-inch blade. 2 extra batteries. A wallet, of course, credentials. House keys to get back inside the house. Equipping myself with some headphones. AirPods, the first one. A light. It's pretty bright. Has like 3 different settings. Yeah, it's a really chill light. Lasts pretty long actually. I thought it could change colors, but it can't. I bought it for like 20 bucks. This is a steal. So I'm usually using this bag here, but since I'm going on a hike, I'm usually transferring all my stuff to like a bigger bag, turning it over to my Stussy bag to match my Stussy tumbler. And I got my little wire bag here. I'll probably take some of this wire out. I don't really need all these wires. Just take the ones I need. And then I'll also be bringing my drone too. This is from Roy. He destroyed my drone. And my last drone that I had, it got water damage from this kayak accident. Basically, when we were trying to get back into the water with the kayak tipped over and we all fell out, and my gear was inside this waterproof bag. It basically unraveled the waterproof bag because it's a rolling type, and it basically let all the water in, destroyed all my camera gear. It was a pretty big cost. I think I lost like close to like $5,000 in damages. Roy kind of like blessed me with his, and with 3 extra batteries. He gave me a really good deal on it, so thanks to that guy. But yeah, I think we're bringing this lens, 16 millimeters, and then my trusty 24 105. It's for the detailed shots, capturing different depths of field. This is actually really good for vlogging too, actually. It's just when I need to switch from close to short range, and I think I'll start packing up here. Since it's a short hike, battery that's not really charged or so, but I do have 2. Waimano Falls is a 3-mile hike. I really don't see myself shooting for 3 batteries long, so I'll just bring 1 and a spare. I used to hike with all my gear. I mean like all my lenses, all my batteries, everything. And I'd say it equates almost to like almost 60 pounds in gear. After hiking like that for so long, I just learned the lesson. Just don't do it, bro. Save yourself some energy. This water, maybe you can easy access it. I know, right? Putting water with my shit when I obviously damaged my shit before with it. Live dangerously, my friends. Keep the blade always on me. In here. Yep. So I forget. That's here as well. So glasses. But always safety first. Which I'm at. It is now 10:30. Here you go. That is the electronics bag that is pretty much set up. This probably weighs about 23 pounds. I usually walk out of my house with slippers. My gear, this is ACG collaborated with Nike. Hike shirt. I was like, going hiking? Shirt's badass. I got my hiking boots. This is SFS, no, Special Field Systems by Nike. Bought these shoes because I almost died falling off a mountain. And what better way to fall off a mountain in style, right? Yep. Let's just put all this stuff away and let's get out of here. I keep looking at myself, by the way. I'm still getting used to looking at the camera, but we'll get there. You guys ready? You guys ready to go on an adventure? Let's go. Whew. Nice and sunny today. Oh my god, it's hot. Woo. So, actually, I was on my way to the hike and actually picked up Martin. When was the last time you went hiking, Martin? Oh yeah. Yeah, that hike is so legit. Yeah, I'd say as long as you stay safe on this side, I think you'll be okay. Hey guys, how's it? Cute dog. Thank you. Cute. What? You trying to do Banana Ridge right now? Bro. Holy shit.
There's much water.
Don't even drink water until you get to the end. Yeah, man. I mean, you know what you could do? You could go to the platform, the very first stop. Yeah, it's true. That's something to keep in mind when you're doing hikes. The climate. I think I wanted to do a falls trail because knowing it's been raining for the past few days, I wouldn't want to go when it's raining because all the water's brown as fuck, right?
Well, I'll be surprised if it's clear.
Here we go. Here it is.
Pull up. Show off. One more. Calling desktop? Desktop. The logging booth for all the, you know, like diving, you go for a fall really early.
I literally tried to just water bomb whatever, and I fucked up, and I fucking landed on my back. Dude, I can't believe I freaking ate it, man. I ate it so hard.
I know.
My back was just like, I'm under the water like, oh fuck my life. The whole time like flinching. I'm like, all right, get out of the water, get out of the water. Oh, backflip action. Oh. All right, Free Willy, let's go. Woo! Oh, that was mean. All right, Martin, what's our time? We have to get back.
It's 1 right now.
It's 1? Yeah. Okay, we got about an hour or so. Filming and climbing don't match. We just got done with the hike. Martin, what do you think about the hike?
Walk in the park.
Walk in a park.
It's like these fruit 𝕰𝖕𝖎𝖘𝖔𝖉𝖊.
Yeah.
Just like they're in like the this is pomegranate lemon sorbet. But
You don't need the coconut? I eat coconut.
well, I don't know, up to you.
Yeah, I eat coconut all the time. Dude, coconut sorbet. Post hike. Oh, what the? What is? Oh, is this like the stuff that they sell at the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, scrub. How's that set up?
Huh?
How's this set up? Okay. Let's go. Oh! I'll see what's up. Try to hit you up. Yeah, I remember. So, I got my brother to drive me to take a shot because we need a driver when I take rolling shots. And in the rain, not to mention, I was told that there might be a thunderstorm or so, and it looks like it's about right. Look how crazy this rain is right now. But I think the craziest shots come during the times when you least expect it. And he told me that it's not raining on that side, and I think by the time we get there, it's gonna start raining. So we've been trying to plan this for a long time, and I think I should at least give it a try. So I plan on taking it through Waikiki, and then maybe take a few shots in the international marketplace where there's like an open area in that section, and we'll see where we go from there. I think it's good that I at least try it. So we'll see.
Oh, the new type bar?
Is it?
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
That's basically
Look
it.
at this pink car. It's cute. What do you think about how like the world phasing out the gas car?
It's inevitable.
It's inevitable? Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Like,
Think about it. People, since the beginning of time, people were walking, and they would say, "Why are you riding that animal? It's unnatural," you know, stuff like that. And then a century later, they're riding horses because it's normal. And then the vehicle came out in whatever 19.
I don't think it would be Ford. I mean,
It's the first commercial vehicle,
which was on Steam, right?
the Model T.
Model T. Yeah.
I don't think it was Steam.
It wasn't Steam.
No, not the Model T.
First combustion line.
And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed with me? She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man. She chunky monkey. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man. She chunky monkey. She like the trolley swirly in my vanilla coupe. She like my sugar cone seeds, I just took off the roof. She got a marshmallow booty, I like the sprinkler too. I'm the ice cream man, this my song when I'm riding through. She like the fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man, she chunky monkey. I'm the ice cream man, yeah, she chunky monkey. All these money hungry hippies wanna love me. All these diamonds dusty, mine just clear and sunny. I don't rock the seppies, no them shits is ugly. I'm in the ghetto, the gutter, I got the sugar, the butter, I got the mama, the brother.
Better bomb, better bomb, better bomb, better with the drugs, better with the big love, but the girl that will bang on, better with the drama. Gotta grieve for my mama, cause I don't think I'm addicted too much longer, mom, better with the pain. I'm sick of reading my name and then the other way that I contain. I'm better with all of these motherfuckers misunderstanding me. I'm better with the ones that try to say you a fan.